Hey everybody, and welcome to the first episode of Sonic Plushie World. That's me. So, what do you think of the new show, Amy?
I like it, Sonic. I think it's going to be a cool show.
And the one who came up with the idea is, look up there, Evan, from the Evan T. Pady account.
And this is Amy, and Amy's person is not going to show her face. So, Sonic, what is this going to be about?
Well, it's going to be about me and my friends playing video games, hanging out, special editions, and it's going to have so many episodes, and it's going to be better than the Evan T. Pady account, because it's going to be set on different seasons, because it's a series. So,
Cool, Sonic. I think that's a really good idea. Tell me, are you going to have a full series done by Christmas?
yeah, and it's going to continue on from Christmas, and Evan, our host, not the host, but the person who came up with the idea, you know. The person.
I know.
He's going to stay until...
Till when, Sonic?
Well, he's going to be staying for a pretty long time.
Wow, that's cool.
Well, I mean, like years from now.
Okay. Well, now that we got the introductions all done, Sonic, is there anything else that people need to know before we end this opening video?
All I want to show you is a few of my friends.
Okay, well, let's see who else.
Tails, my main man.
Okay. Here we go. Tails, hi, Tails.
What?
And who else?
Am I on camera?
Yes, Tails is on camera.
Oh, stop. That's Sonic. What's my name?
Tails is your name.
Tails what?
You got a last name?
My name's Tails, yeah.
Okay, and who else is going to be in the series?
I am the ultimate life form.
Oh, hi, Shadow. I like you.
Yes, and I will kill a lot of people in the show.
Well, we don't want all killing. We want some nice stuff. Who else is going to be in the show? Where's Knuckles?
E102 Gamma.
E102 Gamma. Good to see you.
E102.
E102. Codename Gamma. Okay, next we have... Knuckles. My friend Knuckles. Where are you, my friend?
What's up, guys?
There you are. Yeah.
I'm ready to...
I
sort of lost the pieces of the Master Emerald today.
Oh, no. Well, now we're not going into an episode, are we? Don't tell me Big is going to be here and that Eggman.
I'm a good guy,
Eggman.
and I lost Froggy again.
Oh, not again.
Well, that's not a surprise. Shut up. Oh, fine.
Okay.
Well, I'm in the show. Haha, I'm gonna be the best, and I'm
well, we're gonna push you over the computer desk now. Oops, dude. Okay, are we almost done here?
Can I show you my creation first?
Your creation, only if you're fast.
My robotic
koala.
Yes.
Oh, I see. Okay, well, this is what we're going to be having in the first episode, the first show of Sonic and Sonic Friends and Sonic Foes.
And the main characters are me,
Sonic,
and
Amy.
We're both the main characters.
Okay.
Tails is the secondary character, and the rest are secondary characters. We have
so Shadow and Knuckles, Big.
Stay tuned for the 30-episode first series of Sonic's World.
Sonic the Hedgehog.
Okay, fine, Sonic the Hedgehog.